Hi, I'm Alexa Sims, and for this module, I will be demonstrating to my second grade class how to do a few different things in PowerPoint. So when you open PowerPoint, you're going to see different designs and different layouts. As this screen back here showed, there is recycling, a lesson on recycling, so I'm going to choose one that kind of reminds me of recycling. So right here, we're going to put our title. And then here you would put your name, so, or what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and put second grade class grade in there. Okay, so then to insert slides, this is a bit smaller, go to insert, or on the home page it says new slide, and you can push this down arrow and it has a bunch of different kinds of slides. I'm going to go ahead and just pick this one. So here you're going to put your title, so for example, and then you take your information from here. You can put, we recycle about 30%, so go back to your PowerPoint and then you can put your information here. So then on here you can duplicate your slides. So I'll go ahead and show you that so it looks the same. Or you can add a new slide. So I'm going to go ahead and do one of these. And then here you can push pictures and it will show you some different pictures that you can take from your desktop. Or you can click on one of these and it has different options. You can do a bar graph, a table, chart, like I said, pictures from file, videos from file. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this in. I use this for a different project. So, and then you can push play and it will play your video in there. And then you can adjust the size. When you type something, you can adjust if it's bold, italicized, underlined, strike through it, color, background, all that stuff. So, okay.